Hello and welcome to Pippi Wellness. This sharing is for general wellness inspiration only. It is not intended to replace professional medical advice. Many people feel tired all the time, even after a full night's sleep. This constant exhaustion is not normal, it's a sign of deeper imbalance. Modern habits drain your energy quietly, day after day. Quick fixes like coffee only create temporary spikes and worse crashes. Today we uncover the real reasons for fatigue and restore steady, natural energy. Dehydration is one of the most overlooked causes of low energy. Even mild water loss slows blood flow and reduces oxygen to cells. Your body and brain can't function efficiently without enough hydration. Sipping water consistently prevents energy dips before they start. Proper hydration is the foundation of all-day vitality. Unstable blood sugar creates roller coaster energy and midday crashes. Sugary snacks and refined carbs give quick bursts that fade fast. Irregular eating leaves your body without steady fuel. Balanced meals with protein, fat, and fiber keep energy steady. This eliminates fatigue and helps you stay alert without stimulants. Poor sleep quality, not just quantity, drains deep energy reserves. Waking frequently or missing deep cycles leaves you unrefreshed. Your body repairs and recharges only during consistent, calm sleep. A calm pre-sleep routine helps you reach and stay in restorative stages. Better sleep means lasting energy, not just less grogginess. Chronic stress keeps your body in constant fight-or-flight mode. This drains adrenal glands and redirects energy from daily function. Over time, this leads to persistent exhaustion and burnout. Short, regular relaxation breaks lower stress hormones gently. Reducing pressure lets your body conserve and rebuild energy. Sedentary behavior weakens circulation and reduces oxygen delivery. Lack of movement makes muscles weak and blood flow sluggish. Even short walks boost energy better than sitting and drinking coffee. Daily light movement activates your body and maintains steady vitality. Movement is a natural, sustainable energy booster. Nutrient deficiencies quietly rob your body of essential fuel. Lack of iron, B12, or magnesium disrupts energy production. Modern diets often lack the nutrients needed for steady stamina. Whole, nutrient-dense foods support cellular energy creation. Small dietary improvements create noticeable, long-lasting energy gains. Overstimulation and mental fatigue drain physical energy too. Constant screens, noise, and multitasking overwhelm your brain. Mental exhaustion quickly turns into physical tiredness. Short, quiet breaks give your mind and body time to recharge. This prevents burnout and sustains energy all day long. Lack of fresh air and natural light weakens your body's rhythm. Indoor stagnation lowers oxygen and disrupts natural alertness. Morning sunlight regulates your clock and boosts steady energy. A few minutes outside daily resets your system for consistent vitality. Fresh air and light are simple, powerful energy tools. Finally, ignoring rest forces your body to operate in overdrive. Pushing through tiredness creates deeper, long-term fatigue. Rest is not lazy, it's essential for energy renewal. Allowing short, gentle breaks prevents total exhaustion. Kindness to your body builds sustainable, all-day energy. Constant fatigue is not a permanent state. By addressing root causes, you build steady, natural energy. You don't need extreme routines or constant caffeine to feel alive. Small, daily choices create lasting vitality and wellness. If you enjoy this sharing, feel free to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.